With the advancements in technology that humans have achieved today, is it possible to have a long life or an eternal life? Let's now discuss the experiments and research being conducted by scientists to prolong human life. First is genetic engineering. Throughout human history, people have been manipulating and altering life, such as breeding animals and plants with the intention of cultivating and producing desired traits. We have become proficient in this field, but we still don't fully understand how it works. Until we discovered DNA. DNA is like a blueprint or recipe that contains instructions to form a person's identity. This is what determines how we develop, grow, what color our skin will be, your appearance, and all the characteristics and traits of a person. When the information is changed, the individual carrying it is also changed. This process is called genetic engineering, wherein the DNA structure is manipulated or altered by adding or removing genes to create a newer and improved gene framework with desirable traits. This applies to all living things, like the crop. Through this they can change the nature of the plant, so that it has a higher yield, better resistance to pests or diseases, and enhanced nutritional content. Even in animals, their health and resistance against diseases can be improved. They will have nutritious meat, and even in their production, especially in animals that produce milk. Scientists believe that through genetic engineering, humans can become immune to diseases and control aging. They believe that aging can be reversed, that it can be either slowed down or accelerated, according to one's preference. They did this in a laboratory experiment with two mice that were siblings. One of them had its epigenetic structures manipulated, and it has become old, not only in appearance but also in the whole body, even though they are biologically the same age. And through controlling the gene structures, even an aged mouse was able to revert back to a youthful state or rejuvenate its muscles and heart, allowing it to run faster. Second is regenerative medicine. Have you heard of stem cell? It is a cell that has no specific functions. Every cell in the human body has a specific role. Nerve cells are responsible for sending the body's electrical and chemical signals. Our skin cells, on the other hand, serve as our protection against physical, chemical, or biological threats in our environment. Muscle cells are responsible for generating the force and movement in our bodies. These are just a few of the specialized cells that have unique functions in the body. It is specialized because it is not possible for a nerve cell to become a skin cell, or a skin cell to become a muscle cell. However, stem cells have no specific function but have the potential to become any other type of cell in the body. This unique characteristic of stem cells makes them invaluable in medical research and potential therapeutic applications. The body utilizes stem cells to replace damaged cells when they die. For example, our body replaces the lining of our intestines every week, and our skin is completely replaced every month. These tissue-specific stem cells are considered nature's anti-aging agents because without them, the tissues in our body would age prematurely, since there would be no repair mechanism in place. Scientists believe that through the power of stem cells, they can create personalized medicine, wherein it becomes possible to replace body parts using your own cells. They envision that this approach could effectively reverse the aging process. And third is nanobots. Nanobots, as the name suggests, are tiny robots or machines that operate at the nanoscale, typically measuring a few nanometers or even smaller. They are designed to perform specific tasks at a cellular or molecular level, making them incredibly versatile and precise. In the context of longevity, nanobots offer the potential to revolutionize healthcare and extend human life by targeting the underlying causes of aging and disease. Here are some ways in which nanobots could contribute to achieving longer life. Number 1. Cellular repair and maintenance. Nanobots could be programmed to detect and repair damaged or aging cells. They could remove accumulated waste products, repair DNA damage, and restore cellular function, effectively rejuvenating the body's tissues and organs. Number 2. Disease detection and treatment. Nanobots could serve as advanced diagnostic tools, constantly monitoring the body for early signs of diseases such as cancer, heart disease, or neurodegenerative disorders. They could detect abnormal cells or biomarkers and deliver targeted therapies directly to affected areas, increasing the chances of successful treatment. Number 3. Drug delivery. Nanobots could revolutionize drug delivery systems. Their small size and precise targeting capabilities would allow them to deliver medications directly to specific cells or tissues, maximizing effectiveness while minimizing side effects. This targeted approach could significantly improve the treatment of various ailments, including age-related diseases. It's important to note that the development and implementation of nanobots for longevity purposes are still largely theoretical and require significant advancements in nanotechnology, biocompatibility, and safety protocols. Ethical considerations and potential risks also need to be carefully evaluated.